Good morning, traders. Thank you so much for joining in for another pre-market video by our LTA group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving, what are the key levels to look out for, and how you should plan out your day. I apologize. I'm feeling a bit under the weather, so I was late in getting this video up. But let us quickly go ahead, start and understand and see where the market is going to be heading. So for that, we'll go to the favorite time frame and we'll come to a line chart, and I can see that there is a pure consolidation that has been happening over here in Nifty. So the problem with Nifty and the way how Nifty is moving is, guys, is that it is making deeper cuts that are actually triggering stop losses. So, you need to understand that very, very carefully and trade with less quantity and, with a deeper stop loss. That's the only way you can trade, even if your levels tell you to buy. So let me just give you a bit of a heads up as to what needs to be done over here. So the market is consolidating near this trend line. So it is right now very close and it is about to give a breakout. So any breakout about 18,773 is definitely going to take this index to 18,200. And, if the IT results flourish the market, then 18,300 is what you would see. Now we are seeing that impact over here in SGX Nifty already. So I think they're quite optimistic to open it at somewhere around 18,234, but it's 50 points higher than what the actual future is. So I can say 18,170 is something that they are planning to. Even global markets are a bit strong. Let us quickly go ahead and check and see the open interest. So the open interest at this moment is still at 18,100 and 18,200. But however, we need to check the change in open interest. So in the change in open interest as well, I'm seeing a very stiff resistance at 18,200. I'm seeing 18,000 as a big support. 18,000 and 18,050 has become a big support. So anything above this, then of course, this is going to take it to the next level. So let us quickly go ahead and understand the kind of targets that you need to check. So I would say that if it is taking out the high and sustaining the gap up, then I would say 18,200 would be the target and 18,350 would be the final target if everything with IT goes fine. Now, if anything to do with IT, happens to be on a negative side, then this trend line will get broken and the target still 17,925 will open, and even at the bottom 17,750 will actually open, and that's what is over here. So today is going to be a news-based movement, and pretty much somewhere around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 7 o'clock, TCS, Wipro, and Infosys are going to give their results. So let us quickly understand with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also pretty much it tried to gap up and it consolidated. It see, both the indices are making deep cuts, so they are not letting you hold the position even if your direction is right. So on that note, what you need to do is you need to see that these this index over here is consolidating between 38,300 and 38,500. So what you would need to do is you would need to monitor this trend line very carefully that is coming from the bottom, and of course it is exactly the same breakout that we are looking for. And if everything goes well, Bank Nifty will have a target of 38,995. And if it sustains for that level, I will be looking at 39,200 on the upside. If it is going to break down, then I'm going to look at somewhere around 38,100 as a target, and the final target as 37,950. I'm still not going to open the levels at the bottom for us to trade. Now let's quickly have a look at the open interest and see how it is actually planning out. So with the open interest, 38,500 is going to be highly defended level at this moment, where 38,000 is the support. The next resistance is 39,000. So we are going to have a lot of move over there. So the biggest thing that you would need to understand is the change in OI. So the change in OI, I think they have already set up a base over here stating that 38,500 will become a support. So 38,500 and 38,400 were the new supports created yesterday. So if Nifty, Bank Nifty manages to stay above this, then I can say the short covering will take it to somewhere around 39,000 is what I'm expecting. So these are my levels for today. I hope they help you make your trading decisions. I hope the day is profitable for you. Have a wonderful time. Take care. Love you all. Jai Hind. Goodbye. See you on the next video.